day of our trip, unexpected snowfall hit, making April feel like January again. But our hopes weren't gone because we were heading to Ljubljana, where the weather was supposed to be much better. We opted for a train trip this time. It might have taken an hour or two longer, but it was definitely more scenic. Our hotel, very minimalistic, and the view is supposed to be okay. Some Slavic garages over there and a couple of beautiful buildings. I think we'll unpack and we'll go to the city and hopefully see something today, because tomorrow and the day after tomorrow we planned some trips, so we won't be spending too much time in the city, and I hope to see it like today and maybe the other days in the afternoons as well. Although Ljubljana is a capital city, its population is only about 300k, which makes it really cozy and walkable. That said, it was a bit crowded during the Easter holidays. The Dragon Bridge is one of the city's most iconic landmarks. Dragons are a symbol of Ljubljana and appear on the city's coat of arms. There are also quite a few legends connected to them. The city center is largely car-free, and it was noticeable that many people travel by bike. It reminded me a bit of the Netherlands. So before coming here, I asked ChatGPT what to eat in Slovenia, and the first option was this sausage. It's like a really small fast food stop, and you can get it like for $5.50 with some bread and sauces, and it's really nice. It's not like a full meal, but you can also order a full sausage, and it should be more filling than the half, but the half was rather okay, I would say. Interestingly, the Carniolan sausage has protected status. This means only sausages made in Slovenia following specific traditional recipes can legally use this name. Another thing you'll probably notice upon arrival is the castle. Ljubljanski Grad sits atop of a hill in the center of Ljubljana and has been a defensive stronghold since at least the 11th century. If you are in Ljubljana, you can visit this beautiful castle on top of the hill, and you can pay for the funicular or for the funicular and the castle. And if you are not really into like artsy stuff, you can as well buy tickets just for the funicular, because I feel like there isn't much of history installations here. There are some, of course, but the majority are more like different, cartoons, puppetry museums, and all the sorts. You don't actually have to buy tickets to visit it, as there is a path that goes up on foot, although it involves some stairs and naturally going uphill. I'll show you the place at the end of the chapter. The castle hosts museums, exhibitions, and interactive displays, including ones on Slovenian history, medieval life, and art. There is also a virtual reality tour of the castle, which was fun. From the castle's towers, you can enjoy breathtaking views over the entire city, the Ljubljana River, and even the surrounding Alps on clear days. If you're lucky, you might spot a big castle mouse as well. Despite its small size, Ljubljana has over 100 bridges, each with its own unique history and design. The Triple Bridge is a famous example of Plečnik's work. Additionally, Ljubljana was named the European Green Capital for its commitment to sustainable urban living, extensive green spaces, and pedestrian-friendly city center. planning a trip to Slovenia and wondering how many days to spend here, I'd say one full day is more than enough. We went for a stroll right after arriving and felt like we had already seen most of the city center. Of course, visiting the castle or museum will take more time. I hope you enjoyed our small tour of Ljubljana. Stay tuned because we'll be visiting many more cool places in Slovenia. If you liked the video, don't hesitate to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.